So in this example, we know that the second derivative of x is x squared, f prime of 0 equals 7, and f of 0 equals 2. And what we're trying to do is get all the way back from the second derivative to the original function. So what we're going to do is take our second derivative, and we want to find the integral of it. And that's going to actually give me my first derivative plus our constant. Okay, so if I take the antiderivative of x squared dx, I get x cubed over 3 plus c. Now what we need to do is find that c value. Now remember, this is my f prime of x here. And we know f prime of 0 equals 7. So f prime of 0 equals 7, and that's going to equal my function x cubed over 3 plus c. So we're going to go ahead and solve here for c. And we do that by replacing 0 for x, right? Because f prime of 0, we plug the 0 in there. All right, so it looks like in this case c is going to equal 7. So my antiderivative at this condition is going to be x cubed over 3 plus 7. All right, and that's my f prime of x. Now if we want to go back to f of x, well, if we take the antiderivative of f prime of x, then we get f of x plus c. Okay, so we're going to want to take, let's see, so f of x is going to equal the antiderivative of x cubed over 3 plus 7 with respect to x. So we can use our power rule for integration. So we get x to the 4th over, now it's 3 times 4 plus 7x plus c. And I'll just rewrite this as x to the 4th over 12 plus 7x plus c. Now what we need to do is focus on finding that c value. And we know that f of 0 equals 2. Okay, so f of 0 is going to have to be 0 to the 4th over 12 plus 7 times 0 plus c. And we know that that equals 2. So now when you solve for c, you get c equals 2. And it makes our f of x function x to the 4th over 12 plus 7x plus our c value of 2. Okay, so the basic process here is just take your antiderivative, plug in your known value to find c, and just keep going until you get to the correct function.